students, today we are going to see a project in C++ known as hotel management. This is a menu in front of you. You can manage your room, you can check in into the room, available rooms, customer, checkout, guest summary if there is any, and then terminate. You press first option 1, add room 1, room number, room type, comfort, what is the size, daily rent, room added, search room, room number, not found, this is the room number. The complete information, room number, comfort, rent. 3, back to the main menu. Check-in rooms, room number, booking ID, customer name, address, phone, date, customer has logged in. After that, available rooms, all rooms reserved, no rooms available. After that, 4, customer name, person not found. If there would have been a person, you would have got it. 5, room number, number of days, information. Guest summary, no information, no guest. 7, thank you for using and for watching my video. Thank you very much.